right, this video is how to do the 2 rook, also called the ladder checkmate. You could also do this with 1 rook and 1 queen, or with 2 queens, but I have it here with 2 rooks. Now, the idea is that we're going to slowly cut off the path that this king can move by taking away these spaces, and see how these kind of form what look like the rungs of a ladder. So that's our goal here. And we want to just take space away. So I want to move one of these rooks to this rank, the 5th rank, so that it takes space away from the king. My A rook is closer, farther away, so I'm going to move my A rook here. Now he's going to move, and notice that the king moves here, attacking the squares that this G rook might want to go to. And that's fine. My rooks are very mobile, so I can just swing my rook over to the B file and then make a waiting move. So I haven't even put the king in check once. I'm really preparing here. I've got 1 rook on the 5th rank, taking away space, and now I've moved another rook to the B file, and now I can move up to the 6th rank here. So notice that with these rooks, I'm taking away all this space. The king is running out of places to move. I just want to keep rolling him. Some people call this a rolling checkmate to a side of the board. It can be to the end of the board this way. It could be the side of the board. It doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to move this rook here. Now notice this king is playing smartly. We're playing against Magnus. He is again attacking the square that I'd want to move my rook to, because if I were to move my rook here, I would get captured, and then I could still checkmate him with 1 rook, but it becomes a little bit more difficult. So I simply swing my rooks over, swing them over, and the king is not fast enough to threaten them over here, and that is checkmate. So that is how to checkmate using the 2 rook checkmate.